Here, I'll show you the easiest way to unfreeze your Adobe Acrobat. So as you can see, my Adobe Acrobat is not working, and if I click on close window, also the Adobe Acrobat is not closing. Now I'll show you the easiest way to unfreeze or close freezed Acrobat. Click on your computer start menu. Here, go to your computer settings. Select system settings. Under system settings, click on for developers. Under for developers settings, here you will find end task option. So we have to enable end task. Once it's turned on, now right click on your Adobe Acrobat icon in your taskbar, and here you will find end task. Click on that and click on end now, and immediately your your Adobe Acrobat will exit just like this. Now you can reopen the Adobe Acrobat and your Acrobat will work normally just like this.